Hey, we're ready to make the introduction for our second knife in the Liberty and Freedom series this year for the 250th anniversary of this beautiful, wondrous country, the United States of America. And that knife is called the Liberty. It has chestnut handles, and this one is the custom version of it with the thick liners, highly polished, flag logo on the front, my handmade custom logo on the back. There's only going to be 7 of those available. So the next one is the same knife, but the production version with the chestnut handles, different flag logo on the front, production logo on the back. And then we have the G10 version of the Liberty knife. G10 with our flag engraved into the G10. Same thing, flag logo, production logo on the back. It's a very important thing to understand. We wouldn't have these knives if those patriots hadn't fought to guarantee the freedom of us to keep and bear arms. Celebrate with us, the Liberty Knife.